Hello everybody. Today I want to say something. There's a lot of people sending me messages on Facebook about they want where they can buy my products or where they can get these model engines. Now I'm being giving away a lot of engines, and I will keep doing that during the next months. But here's what I'm trying to do. Since I no longer sell my model engines, what I will do is I will upload a video on YouTube announcing that such items are for sale, or model engines will be for sale. Now those will be specific videos for that specific model engine, and we will talk, and I will show you that the model engines are working. Now remember guys, I do not have control on the shipping prices. My local post office or the carrier has the control of the prices, and they charge that money or whatever. So international, you gotta send me a message. Okay, here's how it's going to work. I will post a video. I will put a video on YouTube about the specific model engine, and then I will make a post on Facebook. From there, if you see the model engine post, then that means that the model engine is still available for sale. Now, for those who are really interested, send me your best offer. I will consider the highest offers, 1, 2, 3 offers, the highest offers that I get. So if we agree, then I will remove the posting. Once it's sold, I will remove the posting from Facebook. So that means that it's no longer available. No longer for sale. Yes, I have a lot of model engines, so I decided that I will sell them because I don't have use for them. I have another priorities. My kids don't play with the model engines anyways, so they are overwhelming for the quantity that I used to have over the years. So again, now if you send me an offer for a specific model engine, once I post the video for, let's say, this model engine, and you say I'm gonna offer you such amount, so from there you gotta go, of course, on Facebook. Do not send me a message on YouTube. From there, from Facebook, custom Trackmasters is easy to find. Send me a message on that posting, for example this model engine, and say, I'm okay, custom Trackmaster, I'm gonna give you $10, $20, whatever, and the highest bid or offer, I will consider the highest offer and send you an invoice for that specific model engine, in which will include the shipping. Now shipping is very high out of the United States. I do not have control on that. That's the price you gotta pay for the shipping to the carrier. Now if you are in the US, it's really easy and simple. It's just $5 flat rate to ship one of these model engines anywhere in the US, or APO, for those who know APO. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm trying to say right now. I will have a lot of model engines coming up. I still have a lot, and I will keep doing the giveaways, of course, and sell these model engines. So that is how this thing is going to work. I will upload a video, and I will put the link for my Facebook page, and for that specific post, if the model engine is still available for sale, you will see that post on Facebook. If you don't see it, that means it has been sold. So remember, if I will not answer any low ballers, so I will consider just the best offers. And again, thank you for watching. Over and out.